welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I cut my short natural hair. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So before I cut my hair, I always need 4 things that I need to have in front of me. The first thing is a mirror, of course, very much needed, and then a pair of clippers, and then scissors and a comb. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by combing my hair out. I already have the trimming guard on, and this is the largest trimming guard, which is a number 7, and it goes down all the way to 1. So I got the largest trimmer because I don't want to trim off so much hair. So I'm going to start off with the largest trimmer. This is a number 7, and then I will slowly reduce it as I take the hair off. So I went ahead and put another trimming blade. This is a number 3. It's 3 levels down. I noticed that the larger blades were not really getting into my hair, so I put a number 3 and I'm gonna go back in. So now that I feel like I've gotten a lot of the hair off, I'm going to go ahead and comb it out just so I see if there's a lot of uneven hair, and then I'll just go back in with the clippers. So when I'm done, I go in with the scissors and I start clipping any hairs that are sticking out, especially around my ears. I'll just go in like this and just cut. See all this hair that sticks out? I just cut it. And there you have it. I am done with a haircut. As you guys can tell, it didn't take that long as you have your tools and you have a mirror. Always start with the higher blades and then slowly work your way down. You do not want to go in with the smaller blades because you could cut off a big chunk of hair that you can't put back. So just slowly work your way to those small blades. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.